And a little snow in the air, getting us closer to not only winter, but the holiday season, getting us into that holiday feel. First flurries of the fall today only resulted in about a dusting, if that, on the grass and spots. But there is a lot more snow and some breezy winds coming in tonight as well as tomorrow morning. So we'll be in that wintry trend for a while. Also saw some graupel earlier today, kind of a more rare frozen precipitation type. It looks like little balls of styrofoam or Dippin' Dots. And what occurs here is that we've got snowflakes falling through the upper levels of the atmosphere. They melt a little bit because they encounter this shallow warm layer above the surface. So as they soften up, tiny water droplets cling to them, and then everything freezes back into an ice pellet and drops down to the ground, which is why we get those kind of round little balls that pop up sometimes. This also can lead to some sleet, but in this case, we got those more Dippin' Dot looking precipitation types throughout the afternoon, which was quite fun to see. On exact track radar right now, a few more scattered flurries and showers coming through overnight, but all of this will be gone by the time it gets to around sunrise. So if you're going to be out late tonight, watch out for low visibility between the flurries and breezy winds. Getting cold tonight, dropping down into the upper 20s, may feel like the low 20s with the wind chill by the morning. Then we're keeping an eye on tomorrow's weather system. It's going to do something we don't typically see, and that's working its way backwards to the west. Usually weather systems flow from west to east. This time it's retrograding, so the showers are going to come in from the north to northeast. Again, a direction we don't typically see. This weather system then responsible for a quick burst of heavier snow showers. That arrives by about 8 to 9 o'clock tomorrow, especially along and east of I-39. So you folks that are west of I-39 may not see a ton of snow in the morning until we get closer to noon. By this point, snow's coming down heavy enough we could see some slushy roads. So even though temperatures are warm, it's falling faster than the road can melt. So watch out for treacherous travel conditions. There's going to be a brief window here where roads get a little slushy at the end of Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, we're warm enough for rain, and then we'll stay rainy throughout the remainder of the day. So less than an inch of snow likely east or west of I-39. Along and east of I-39, 1 to 2 inches of snowfall possible, and those slushy roads coming right towards the tail end of the morning. Be ready for some strong winds too, gusting at times over 40 miles per hour. So it is a snowy and rainy and windy day ahead. But keep in mind that slushy road activity will melt pretty quickly by the afternoon with the rain taking over. We quiet down and warm up for a few days going into the weekend. There's a chance for showers on Monday. And then after that, the travel outlook looks cold but dry, and your most accurate 10-day forecast will hold on to just above freezing temperatures for Thanksgiving and into the rest of the holiday weekend.